everyone, I'm Claire. Welcome to the BG Office Furniture. We are the manufacturer of office furniture and have our own factory in China. We have a professional design team focused on office furniture and have many years of experience in this field. Today, let me introduce our 8 office furniture sets to you, including tea table, main table, and cabinets. Look at this main table. The length of the main table is 2.4 meters long and 1 meter wide. The thickness of the desktop is 5 centimeters. It's very strong and durable. Here, we match the CNC decoration in the middle. It's very beautiful flower pattern. At the same time, we cover the PU reader on both sides and on the desktop, which is very wearable and easy to clean. Here are 3 drawers and doors. It's the golden handle. It's very delicate. Look at the tea table. The size of the tea table is 18 cm long and 16 cm wide. And also we cover the PU reader on both sides and on the desktop. The same as the main table. About the cabinets, the size of the cabinet is 2.4 meter and 1.2 high. Here there are 5 doors here. Open it to show you. It's a very large free floor space and can hold a lot of things. About the color is W4 and black. The whole look is very simple and classical. Sitting here, you will feel very comfortable and relaxed. That's all. If you are interested in this office furniture set, welcome to contact me. I'm Claire from BG Office Furniture.